Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds to your phone. So firstly we should restart audio player. So let's say you use Spotify, open it, and then we should remove it from the cache. Then open it again and check, maybe it fixed your problem. Also, try to restart your phone, maybe it help you, and also we should try to restart the headphones, so put it to the charging case, now close the case, now it should be disconnected from the phone, and after that open it again and check, maybe it fix your problem. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset, so open settings, go to Bluetooth for connected devices, and now put your headphones to the charging case, but do not close the case, and then press and hold on this connection button until you can see that this LED light is start to flashing red. Here we go. Now we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon near to your device, and then forget this device, forget device. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and then click on your earbuds at the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!